Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use quiet mode / scheduled mode on Facebook. So it's basically a mode that will mute everything on Facebook so you can have a rest, relax without any notifications, sleep or do whatever you want. Once you open your Facebook, go to the three line menu on the top right here. Then head over to the little gear icon on the top right here. Once you're here, scroll a bit down and select your time on Facebook. Once this open, scroll to the right and click on schedule quiet mode. You first need to turn it on from here, and now you need to set the day, hours and the minutes and click apply and click scheduled. If you want to schedule it from a person time for you, for example, I want it Saturdays and Sundays, I go back and that's it. And if you want, you can receive a reminder after you use Facebook for amount of time that you choose, basically to regulate your time, so it is gonna tell you to have breaks, but that depends on you. And that's basically how you turn on quiet mode. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.